Hey, you wouldn't help me carry it in though, would you? You little bitch. To join the Winter Olympics with the chicks, you need to jump. And you need to do it on the count of 3. Or 1. Good girl. Jump. Good girl. Go to the count of 3, or no more beers ever again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Bloody lucky, aren't you? You want crumpets? You go and get your crumpets. Good girl. Good girl. Keep going. Hot dog. Billy said it's opposite day. Get in. Not sure if Chats, crackers and meat pie is going to do the job. Who am I kidding? Of course it's going to do the bloody job. Party time, mate.
Going on. Get in. Walk in the tightrope.
I can see what you're doing. Good girl. You know where it's at. Good girl. Get in there. You know it. Good girl. Get off me back. Get in there. Get in. Good girl.